So the company TELESIN's kindly sent me out this multifunctional card reader. Now this particular card reader can read and write, weighs 144 grams, it's made of aluminium alloy and silicone, it's got an IP54 protection level. So with the IP54 protection level, this is going to be great if you was to drop this, if you're around any dust, or splash proof. It's not fully waterproof, but it's splash proof, so it'll be fine in the rain. It's got a USB 3.1 chip, and it can read transmission speeds up to 312 megabytes per second, so it's a really fast transfer speed. And you'll be able to store 4 SD cards, 6 micro SD cards, and 2 Nano SIMs. So on the top here, you've just got a tab. Open that. It slots out smoothly. So as you can see, you'll be able to get 4 SD cards in here. And then you'll be able to hold 6 micro SD cards, 4 on that side, 2 on that side, and the other 2 slots are for the Nano SIMs. This device also comes with a carabiner clip. You can take that off if you want. There's a real smooth motion when you push this in and pull this out. You can tell it's made really quality. So just on the side here at the top, that's where you'll slot your micro SD card, and just underneath your normal SD card. Now just underneath it you'll see the USB-C. Now this is for fast transfer speed. You'll be able to plug this into your laptop or PC, as it's compatible with Windows or iOS. So you'll also be able to plug this into your phone and transfer all your videos and images when you plug your SD card into the top there. So that's a real lifesaver when transferring any data from your phone. As you know, with today's phones, most things are in 4K, so the memory gets filled rather quickly. So this is a 3.1 USB transferring cable, and you'll be able to transfer speeds up to 312 megabytes with this one. So that's pretty fast. Then to put the cable away, simply slots underneath, slots back up into position. So that's just a short video today on the TELESIN multifunctional card reader. As I've said, you'll be able to read and write with this device, and it will be compatible with Windows, iOS, or any smartphone. If you're interested in buying this TELESIN multifunctional card reader, I'll be leaving a link in the description, and there you'll receive 10% off when you enter the coupon code. So for now, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.